In this video, I'll show you how to reset your YouTube feed. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right or top right corner, depending on your app version. Now tap the settings icon. Select Manage All History. On the next screen, tap Controls. Then scroll down and tap Manage History. Now tap the Delete button. From the available options, select Delete All Time. Confirm your choice, and YouTube will delete your entire watch history. Once your watch history is cleared, YouTube will begin refreshing your recommendations, and your home feed will gradually reset based on the videos you watch next. That's it. This is how you can reset your YouTube feed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.